We all know that Montego Bay St. James is a magnet for visitors from near and far. It's well known for white pearly beaches, a lively hip strip, and world-class resorts. But there's another venue in the heart of the city that I can't wait for you to explore. Can you guess what it is? The first designated marine park in Jamaica.
Montego Bay Marine Park is a protected area, and our main role is to care and protect what's in it. And the park itself goes, say, from the border of Great River all the way up to Tropical Beach and everything underneath and on the surface. So what we do, we patrol to ensure that people adhere to the fishing regulations in particular, or the boating regulations, the users regulations. We also do scientific research, because we have to make sure that the park is healthy.
But protecting the sea and its marvelous inhabitants is just one of the many duties of the Marine Park Trust, which was established in 1991. It also has a mandate to increase environmental awareness and stewardship through informative and engaging activities.
Summer camp now, what we do, we teach them, we have classes every day. Again, coral reef, fish, mangroves and so forth. We take them out. We have swimming classes, snorkeling classes, and they also, well, most of the times they get a catamaran cruise as well. So we have a mangrove seedling project, which our science officers does. So we collect seedlings, we grow them, we give it to schools so they can nurture them. On certain days we go out and we plant them. Like World Wetlands Day, we try to do that.
And there's more.
We have an educational component as well, where we visit schools and different communities, organizations. And we tell them what we do. We talk about pollution, how to minimize that, recycle, refuse, reuse. I'm sure you have heard about that. And the children, the school kids come to the park, they get a lecture and all you need to know about coral reefs, mangroves, birds, anything like that. And then most of them, we take them out on the water on the glass bottom boat tour so they can see for themselves.
I don't know about you, but I want to experience for myself what these children encounter on the glass bottom tour. This should be fun. Huh? Can I kiss it? No.
It's actually upside down, you know. This is how going in the water. Like.
Oh yes, because it's gonna float. Wait, my hand first. It's so scary.
You feel him walk
a bit. Oh my God, it's moving! Ah! Where's his head? Oh, it's actually moving.
We also eat those.
Yeah, people eat them. Oh my gosh! The rangers ensured that I had the full experience by introducing me to a few of the remarkable underwater creatures. I was even introduced to the different types of seagrass. Who knew the ocean had grass too?
Manatee grass, right? So these are very common seagrass that you'll find along the shores in Montego Bay or any regular beach in the Caribbean. This is an algae. It's called the dictyota.
It's very cute.
Yes, but the problem that we're facing, due to runoff, you have a lot of algae taking over the reefs. So these will grow up around the live corals and actually smother them or prevent them from, reaching their actual potential. So when you have a lot of runoff with nutrients and different things, components in the water, pollutants, you'll find them growing and overpowering the corals.
So as you can see, the Glass Bottom Tour is a soothing and unique element of the park, riding into the sunset and appreciating the gifts of nature. But there's one more component of the tour that I can't wait for you to see. Feast your eyes on Montego Bay's very own mangrove forest, known as Bogue Lagoon.
We have egrets, we have pelicans, we have manowars, otherwise known as frigate birds. You can have up to 400 to 500 birds nesting at sunset, and you watch them coming in.
Thank you so much, Mr. Montego.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Come again.
I will. Trust me, we've realized that beyond the resort life, there are far more things to do here in St. James. So why not make some time and go out there and enjoy some of these authentic and informative experiences? You won't regret it.